Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video I will show you how to download and install the Prime Video application to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you have a Hisense Smart TV like mine here and the Prime Video app is not installed, this is exactly what to do to install the application. It is very easy. On your Hisense Smart TV, your Vida Hisense Smart TV, search for your app store. Here's mine. Once you see your app store, just go ahead and launch it. This is my Vida app store. Now this works only on a Hisense Vida TV. So as you go over here, you can browse through the app store to search for the application. But the simplest thing to do is just to go over here and search for application, which is Prime. So we're looking for Prime app or Prime Video app. So just go over here and type Prime. So here's it, Prime. I'm going to type Prime Video app here. Prime. So I can just type Prime and I search and see the results I'm going to get. So Prime Video, here's what we're looking for. Just click on it once and then it's going to bring you to the app description or more the app information. You can read the app information, but we're not interested in the app information for now. We're interested in installing the application. So just click on install. And that's the application, it has been installed. So as you can see, here's the application here. I can move it now to wherever I want on my Hisense Smart TV. So this is it, as easy as that. That's how to install the application. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this.